What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am right here where we left off, over by the cleaning supplies. And I just wanted to come over here and see what we have. Ooh, looks like we still have the single mochis. We have Nestle single ice cream sandwiches. The good thing about getting ice cream and things like that when the weather starts to cool down is that they last a lot longer. They don't melt quite as fast. So if you want to eat one in the car, you have just a little bit more time. I'm gonna get my kids some of these because they love these. And yes, these, even though it doesn't say it, these are Super Pretzel brand right here. Hiding in plain sight, they are actually Super Pretzels. Let's see if we have anything new over here. Oh, the 6-pack of Nestle Splash are back. Lately, we've just been seeing 4-packs. The Mandarin Orange. Oh, what are these? Lemon Berry Squeeze Hawaiian Punch. Aw. These are definitely new. Aloe and grape. Green grape. Aloe and pure water. And then we have this one. It says green grape. Let me know in the comments. Have you guys tried those? I've been kind of wanting to try them. We have water from brands like Nirvana. We have Life Water. We have Tampico Zero. This is citrus punch flavor. 5 calories per serving, less than 1% juice. So if you love Tampico. We have caffeinated water. We have Propel water. 0 sugar, and it has electrolytes. We have the Alka 65 alkaline water. We have Nestle Pure Life water. We have the even bigger electrolyte sports water, 50.7 ounces. We have Teddy strawberry and cream soda, ginger beer, and blue raspberry. More of the ginger beer up top. I wonder if we have anything interesting over here. I'm gonna get some more of the waffles. I'm always getting the waffles. I usually get the home style ones. Home style. I'm gonna get 2 of those. Let's fix this. Here we go. And it's nice to know that these are now at the combo store. So if you have a combo store in your area and you like to get those waffles, you can now get them at the Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store. Big, humongous ginger ale, 93 ounces, caffeine-free, humongous ginger ale. I kind of want to get one of these and just have it on hand. Ooh, we have cranberry ginger ale. We have Diet Cola. We have regular cola. We have root beer, and of course it's caffeine free. 93 ounces of root beer for $1. That's a really good price. We have orange. We also have lemon lime, fruit punch. Wow, but the cranberry ginger ale definitely sounds like a holiday ginger ale. Sounds kind of good. Let's talk about which ones are caffeine free. Oh, and by the way, this is limited edition. Caffeine free. I believe the cola has caffeine. Caffeine free. caffeine free, caffeine free, caffeine free. I think I already pointed to that one. The Diet Cola has caffeine, but it's calorie free. And then we have caffeine free for the root beer and for the orange. So if you are looking to cut out caffeine, we have a lot of choices here. We don't drink a lot of soda in my house, but every once in a while I get stuff like that. Let's see, anything new over here? Ooh, the red dish drying mats. Cookie pans. Square cake pans, muffin pans. The oven bags for the turkeys. Okay, we have large size here, 4 bags. And we have 2 bags here. It holds 8 to 24 pound turkeys. All of our spoons. Wow, we have a lot of spoons. It's so well stocked. Over here, we have tons of little dupe pop sockets. I've been using one since summertime. It's still working great. It was a little stiff when I first put it on my phone, but it's really holding up and I'm kind of used to it now. So no complaints. I think I broke it in. Okay, let's see if we have any new cups over here. I don't think we do. The Christmas ones, 'tis the season. You guys have probably seen all of these. Wine is my Valentine. This is actually a really heavy little wine glass. It's by the brand Cristar. And if you guys have been with me for a long time, you guys know I'm in love with anything by the Cristar brand because it's just pure quality. Eat, play, love. I think that's about it, you guys. The cover-ups, perfect for leftovers. And this week we have tons of these. Aww, tons of them. They're really cute. Wow, my store has a lot. I like this little cage they put in down below to try to keep them all contained. If you haven't joined the Bunny, Birdy, Gator family yet, you guys, please join. Hang out with us. Have fun with us here in Dollar Tree. See all the deals and just see what's new for the week. I'm here to help you guys save as much money as possible. That's why we all stop at Dollar Tree first, right? That's what we got to do. We got to come to Dollar Tree first every week, and then we go to our other stores. Anyways, you guys know why you shop here. But I love you guys so much. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.